Keep your spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it there. Oh, oh. ॐ ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम् यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम् अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे श्रीमहागणपतये नमः गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलं स्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धेर्भवतु मे सदा श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकम् हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजम् वेट्रिवेल्मुरुगनक हर हरो हर भूतनाथ सदानन्द सर्वभूतदयापर रक्ष रक्ष महाबाहो शास्त्रे तुभ्यं नमो नमः स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्प कोमलङ्कूजनं वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म भासतां पुरतो मम सायङ्काले वनान्ते कुसुमितसमये सैकते चन्द्रिकायां त्रैलोक्याकर्षणाङ्गं सुरवरगणिका मोहनापाङ्गमूर्तिम् सेव्यं शृङ्गारभावैः नवरसभरितैः गोपकन्या सहस्रैः वन्देऽहं रासकेलीरतमतिशुभगं पश्य गोपालकृष्णम् आनीलश्लक्ष्णकेशञ्ज्वलितमकरसत् कुण्डलं मन्दहासस्यन्दाद्रं कौस्तुभश्री परिगत वनमालोरुहाराभिरामम् श्रीवत्साङ्गं सुबाहुं मृदुलसदुदरं काञ्चनच्छायचेलम् चारुस्निग्धोरुमं भोरुहललितपदं भावयेऽहं भवन्तम् श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्दा गोविन्दा मोक्षाब्धिसारमय भागवताख्यदब्धो नारायणीयनवनीतमहो गृहीत्वा मायामयौघपरितप्तजनाय योगात् नारायणावनिसुता नारायणावनिसुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै गङ्गा गीता च गायत्र्यपि च तुलसिका गोपिका चन्दनं तत् सालग्रामाभिपूजा परपुरुष तथैकादशी नाम वर्णाः एतान्यष्टाप्ययत्नान्यपि कलिसमये त्वत्प्रसादप्रवृद्ध्या क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानीत्यभिदधुर्षयस्तेषु मां सज्जयेथाः हरये नमः गोपिका जीवनस्मरण गोविन्द गोविन्द श्री पोन्नुगुरुवायूरप्पने शरणम् आनन्दचिन्मयने शरणम् चोटानिकर भगवती अम्मये शरणम् नारायण अखिलगुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Narayaniam session. Grace of God. Today's session is happening 10 minutes ago. It was appearing it's not going to happen because of internet issues, but His grace that it was literally His grace is sealed that the session is happening. So without doing anything else, let's get straight into our next Dashakam, which is 37. So we have Krishnavatara Prasanga Varnanam. So it's like before the Krishnavatara, what is happening. So now suddenly the mood is going to change. So now Lord Avatar's arrival, then Lord's arrival, the celebration before his arrival, then he has come, and then his Leela. So the rest of the Narayaniam is completely Guruvayurappan's Leelas that we will hear. So it will be so nice. It's a gripping thing to understand the Leela in the Vedic perspective, to understand the Leela in the Bhakti perspective, and to not understand the Leela and simply melt into it. Whichever way, whatever is our mental texture, we can enjoy from the level that which we are. Okay. So now let us see what the Prasanga Varnanan has coming. Same Shardula Vikradita. And we have seen the things before. Okay, so let's have our lovely kiddos. Awesome. I like Anisha's look today. Perfect. Excellent. Let's finish with Sandhya Bandhan and sitting. That's good. Hmm. We'll start.
Yes.
सान्द्रानन्दतनोहरे ननुपुरा दैवासुरे सङ्गरे
सान्द्रानन्दतनोहरे ननुपुरा दैवासुरे सङ्गरे
त्वत्कृतापि कर्मशेषवशतो ये तेन याता गतिम्
कृता अपि कर्मशेषवशतो ये तेन थाता गतिम्
ये तेन
ये
what did-
तेन याता गतिम्
sorry, तेषां भूतल जन्मनान्दिति भुवां भारेण दूरार्दिता
येषां भूतलजन्मनां दितिभुवां भारेण दूरार्दिता
भूमिः प्राप विरिञ्चमाश्रितपदं देवैः पुरैवागतैः
निःप्राप विरिञ्चिमाशितपदं देवै पुरैवागतैः
We'll take a little higher. सान्द्रानन्दतनो हरे ननुपुरा दैवासुरे सङ्गरे त्वत्कृतापि कर्मशेषवशतो ये तेन याता गतिम्
सान्द्रानन्दतनो हरे ननुपुरा दैवासुरे सङ्गरे त्वत्कृता अपि कर्मशेषवशतो ये तेन याता गतिम्
तेषां भूतलजन्मनां दितिभुवां भारेण दूरार्दिता भूमिः
ते
प्राप विरिञ्चमाश्रितपदं देवैः पुरैवागतैः।
येषां भूतलजन्मनां दितिभुवां भारेण दूरार्दिता भूमिः भूमिः प्राप्य विरिञ्चिमाश्रितपदं देवैः पुरैवागतैः
प्राप्य न
सान्द्रान
भूमि प्राप्य, you said I think भूमि prapa and virinchi no virincham mashrita. You have virinchi, so
विरिञ्च
virin. Okay, just say that last line again. भूमिः प्राप विरिञ्चमाश्रितपदं देवैः पुरैवागतैः।
भूमिः प्राप विरिञ्चमाश्रितपदं देवैः पुरैवागतैः
Hmm.
चान्द्रानन्दतनो हरेणनु पुरा दैवासुरे सङ्गरे त्वत्कृता अपि कर्मशेषवशतो ये तेन याता गतिम् तेषां भूतलजन्मनां दितिभुवां भारेण दूरार्दिता भूमिः प्राप विरिञ्चमाश्रितपदं देवैः पुरैवागतैः
So now the thing is Sandranandatana. We have sorry. Okay, I thought somebody spoke something. Okay, so we have seen this word Sandra Ananda at the starting, the Narayan, the first word. So it is that the Lord who is the complete bliss. It's not just simple Ananda, it's a bliss. So the Lord who is a Murtiman Bhav of that bliss. Okay, so it is addressed to him. Sandrananda Tano Hare. So the Lord who is giving this ultimate happiness. So it is addressed to the Lord. What had happened? Pura. Yeah, Pura, long time ago. Daivasure Sangare. Daiva and Asura Sangara. Sangara is battle between Deva and Asura. During that battle, Tvat Kritta Api. Even though you had killed them, Karma Shesha Vashataha. Because of their karmas, ये ते न याता gatim न yata te gatim न yata. So normally, like whoever, even the asuras, like we saw Putana or whoever asuras, even came to hurt the Lord, and Lord has slain them, they have got mukti because it's God who has slain them. Hey, Bhagwan has slain. But over here, there were few asuras like that, that even if Bhagwan has slain them, they didn't get a gati, they didn't get mukti, because the residue of their karma was so strong that tesham bhutala janmanam. So they got birth again on this earth. And then those asuras, those diti bhuvas, those asuras, because they got birth again on the earth and their nature is not going to change. So, bharena, by that burden, third case, durardita, who? Mother Earth. She was Bhumi Prapa. Bhumi hi durardita. So the Mother Earth was, she was tormented because of these asuras. And Virincham Prapa. She reached Virincha, Brahmaji. She reached Virincha, Ashrita, to seek his refuge. And over there, what she sees, Devaihi Pura Pura eva agataihi. Pura eva. The gods were already over there to Brahmaji in his refuge. Now what to do with these asuras who has their karma residue, who have not got the gati, and again who have come on the earth and become the burden of the earth. सान्द्रानन्दतनो हरे ननुपुरा दैवासुरे सङ्गरे त्वत्कृतापि कर्मशेषवशतो ये तेन याता गतिम्. तेषां भूतलजन्मनान्दिति भुवाम् भारेण दूरार्दिता भूमिः प्राप विरिञ्चमाश्रितपदम् देवैः पुरैवागतैः. So next one. Okay. हा हा दुर्जन भूरि भारमथितां पाथो निधौ पातुकाम्.
आहा दुर्जन आहा दुर्जन भूरि भारमथितां पाथो निधौ पातुकाम्
एतां पालय हन्त मे विवशतां सम्पृच्छ देवानि माम्.
एतां पालय हन्त मे विवशतां सम्पृच्छ देवानिमान्
वेरी गुड. इत्यादि प्रचुर प्रलाप विवशामालोक्य धाता महीम्.
इत्यादि प्रचुर प्रलाप विवशामालोक्य धाता
Very
महीम्
good. Both the Dvitwas picked up very nicely. देवानां वदनानि वीक्ष्य परितो दध्यौ भवन्तं हरे.
देवानां वदनानि वीक्ष्य परितो दध्यौ भवन्तौ हरे
आहा दुर्जन भूरि भारमथितां पाथो निधौ पातु कामेतां पालय हन्त मे विवशतां सम्पृच्छ देवानि मा.
आहा दुर्जन भूरि भारमथितां पाथो निधौ पातु कामे तां पालय हन्त मे विवशतां सम्पृच्छ देवानिमान्
इत्यादि प्रचुर प्रला एक्स्क्यूज मी. इत्यादि प्रचुर प्रलाप विवशामालोक्य धाता महीम् देवानां वदनानि वीक्ष्य परितो दध्यौ भवन्तं हरे.
इत्यादि प्रचुर प्रलाप विवशामालोक्य धाता महीम् देवानां वदनानि वीक्ष्य परितो दध्यौ भवन्तौ हरे हा हा दुर्जन भूरि भारमथितां पाथो निधौ पातु कामेतां पालय हन्त मे विवशतां सम्पृच्छ देवानिमान् इत्यादि प्रचुर प्रलाप विवशामालोक्य धाता महीम् देवानां वदनानि वीक्ष्य परितो दध्यौ भवन्तौ हरे
So now what happened? Arjun, I like your look outside. Very nice to see like this. Both of you twins and having done my kind. Okay, so now ha ha. Ha ha is a explanation. Oh, like that. And it's a ha ha. It's a painful expression. Durjana bhuri bhara mathita. Mathita is like, how you churn the buttermilk and you crush it. So it's like, it's crushed by what? Durjana. Bhuri bhara. The burden of the bad people, Durjana, is crushing me. Patho nidhau. Patuka. Patuka is to, I'm almost falling into Patanidhau in. So seventh case is the ocean. So in the Milky Ocean or from wherever the whole world is arise. So I'm just falling into that now because of burden of these wicked people. Palaya. Palaya is etam palaya. So protect me. Hanta. Hanta word also we have seen. Hanta bhagyam jana. Same first verse, you remember? So hanta means, oh, it's alas, like, it's so may vivashatam, my helplessness. Iman, Devan, Samprucha. The gods who are standing over here, you ask them, like, how helpless I am. They have witnessed that how wicked these people are. And now I'm getting crushed to the extent that I'm going to fall off into now the Milky Ocean. Who is saying? Bhumi Mata is saying. To whom? To Brahmaji, because she is gone over there seeking. So that was our first verse, huh? That Bhumi Mata is gone. Ityadi, like this and all, Prachura Pralapa. Pralapa is like, you talk too much. Sometimes we also do that when we have too much of problem and we get a listening ear or somebody who is giving us some sympathy. We just tend to talk everything and keep on talking and repeat those incidences again and relive that pain. And so we try to create that pain again, thinking that the other person is still not understanding, and you talk about it. So that is a pralapa. Pralapa is like continuous blabbering. And first of all, pralapa is like too much of talking, too much of blabbering, too much of complaining. In that, one adjective they have added is prachura pralapa. So prachura means too much. So pralap itself is too much of talking, and then this adjective is adding. So ityadi, etc. Like she was just letting herself out to Brahmaji, who? Prithvi Mata. And that her vivasha, her helplessness, alokya, seeing or thought about it, dhata. Dhata is who? Brahmaji, seeing Mahim, seeing her. Devanam vadanani Vikshya, having seen, our Lyabantavya, Devanam vadanani, God's faces, those who were standing there. Paritaha, whoever were there all around, all those gods, Brahmaji looked at them, and then Dadhyo Bhavantam Hari. So Bhavantam, on you, Bhattatiri is saying, on you, Dadhyo meditated. So Hare is taken as, oh Lord, this is happening. So Hare Sambodhana, everything is addressed to the Lord. So Brahmaji meditated on Lord, seeing all the God's face and hearing Prithvi Mata's helplessness. Ha ha durjana bhuri bhara mathitam पाथो निधौ पातुकामेतां पालय हन्त मे विवशतां सम्पृच्छ देवानिमान् इत्यादि प्रचुर प्रलाप विवशामालोक्य धाता महीम् देवानां वदनानि वीक्ष परितो दध्यौ भवन्तौ हरे. So beautiful. Yes, sweetie. Come. Let's do the third one for you. ऊचे चाम्बुज भूरमूनैसुराः सत्यं धरित्र्या वचः.
ऊचे चाम्बुज भूरमूनैसुराः सत्यं धरित्र्या वचो.
वचः. We'll break the sandhi.
वचः.
Say again.
ऊचे चाम्बुज भूरमूनैसुराः सत्यं धरित्र्या वचः.
ऊचे चाम्बुज भूरमूनै ऐसुरः. Okay. नन्वस्या भवतां च रक्षणविधौ दक्षौ हि लक्ष्मीपतिः.
नन्वस्या भवतां च रक्षणविधौ दक्षो हि लक्ष्मीपतेः.
लक्ष्मी दीर्घ पतिः ह्रस्व.
लक्ष्मीपतिः.
Okay, cut it off. लक्ष्मीपतिः.
लक्ष्मीपतिः.
Okay. सर्वे शर्वपुरःसरा वयमितो गत्वा पयो वारिधिम्.
सर्वे शर्वपुरःसरा वयमितो गत्वा पयोवारिधिम्
नत्वा तं स्तुमहे जवादिति ययुः साकन्तवाकेतनम्
नत्वा तं स्तुमहे जवादिति ययुः साकं तव केतनम्
साकन् अनुस्वरस्नकार ऊचे चाम्बुजभूरमो नैसुरा सत्यं धरित्र्या वचः नन्वस्या भवतां च रक्षणविधौ दक्षौ हि लक्ष्मीपतिः
ऊचे चाम्बुजभूरमूनैसुराः सत्यं धरित्र्या वचः नन्वस्या भवतां च रक्षणविधौ दक्षो हि लक्ष्मीपतिः
वेरी गुड सर्वे शर्वपुरःसरा वयमितो गत्वा पयो वारिधिम् नत्वा तं स्तुमहे जवादिति ययुः साकन्तवाकेतनम्
सर्वे शर्वपुरःसरा वयमितो गत्वा पयोवारिधिम् नत्वा तं स्तुतमे नत्वा तं नत्वा तं स्तुमहे जवादिति ययुस्सा कन्तवाकेतनम्
वेरी गुड
ऊचे चाम्बुजपूरमु नैसुराः सत्यं धरित्र्या वचः नन्वस्या भवतां च रक्षणविधौ दक्षो हि लक्ष्मीपतिः सर्वे शर्वपुरःसरा वयमितो गत्वा पयोवारिधिम् नत्वा तं स्तुमहे जवादिति ययुः साकं तवाकेतनम्
वेरी गुड स्तुमहे all of us will do the praise stuti so we'll do the stuti that is the word stumahe we will do the stuti so it is for we mahe Atmanekada is okay let us first okay thank you all three of you sweethearts. Now let us see. Uche. Uche means to say. Uche cha and Ambuja bhuhu. Ambuja lotus. Bhuhu born from the lotus. Ambuja bhuhu is Brahmaji. So Brahmaji said, Ambuja bhuhu said, to whom? Amun. Amun is them. Amun is them. Told them. Whom? Aisuraha. O gods, O devas, satyam, really, dharitrya vachaha. So, dharitrya, third case, earth, bhumi mata's vachaha, words are really true. Where is the word really? Really is the word in the second line, nanu. Nanvasya is nanu asyaha. Nanvasya nanu. Nanu means truly. Truly it is satyam only. So Brahmaji is saying asyaha means her. Her bhavatancha rakshana vidhau to protect. Dakshaha means expert. In karya dakshaha, the one who can do any karya well. So Daksha is expert or who has the strength to do or skill to do. So over here, who can do the Rakshana of you is definitely going to be Lakshmipati only. Is Vishnuji. Brahmaji is saying. Sarve Sharva. Sharva is Shivji. Shivji Purassara, keeping him ahead, or everybody, all the gods, led by Shivji. So Shivji is up front. Vayamitaha Gatva Payovaridhim. Vayam, all of us, Sarve Vayam. We will go, having gone to Payovaridhi, to the Milky Ocean. Over there, Natva, having bowed down to, means to Lord Vishnu. Stumahe, we will sing his praises. And Javat. Javat is in great speed. So we get this word in Ayurveda for how the heart pumps the blood, and the Vayu, the Vyana Vayu is responsible, and it is like circulating the blood so fast, pumping and circulating the blood. So where there we got this word Javat. And I remember that now getting this word Javat is like this. He will quickly help, and they should also quickly go in both sense. It is. And then iti. So Brahmaji says that. And then sakam. Sakam means along with everybody. Tava aketanam is house. Ketana house, aketana is house. So everybody then go to Mahavishnuji to seek refuge or help. If my audio has missed any time, you should tell me, because for me the screen is on and I see. But if you are not hearing, then you all can always stop me once my connection is restored, so that I can repeat from where I have left. Was this audio okay? It was heard through and through, right?
Yes, so far is good.
Okay, fair enough. ऊचे चाम्बुजभूरमूनैसुरा सत्यं धरित्र्या वचः. Then we can also say satyam dharitrya vacho nanvasya, because nanu is a word for the first line. So we can take it in that sense. So we can keep vacho nanvasya together. So we can put a hyphen over there. But if we are not able to hold the breath, then vachaha has to be done. We should not forget. Okay. So if we are pausing, then vachaha. If we are doing without pausing, then vacho. But nanu is with the first line. ऊचे चाम्बुजभूरमूनैसुरा सत्यं धरित्र्या वचो नन्वस्या भवतां च रक्षणविधौ दक्षो हि लक्ष्मीपतिः सर्वे शर्वपुरःसरा वयमितो गत्वा पयोवारिधिम् नत्वा तं स्तुमहे जवादिति ययुः साकन्तवाकेतनम्. Are there any more kids, young adults, anybody? Okay, so let's have all the adults raise hands now. Yes, repeat watching. Number 4. ते मुग्धानिलशालि दुग्ध जलधे स्थिरङ्गताः सङ्गताः. Was I not heard? Sorry. Up till was I heard for the verse? Did you hear me, Shri Vidya?
Yes.
Did you hear the full? Okay.
Yeah.
Then you say that, because I didn't hear you.
ते मुग्धानिलशालि दुग्ध जलधे तीरंगता संगताः.
Jaladhes, half sir you have said?
नहीं,
Jaladhes.
yeah.
Jaladhes tirangata sangat.
ते मुग्धानिलशालि दुग्ध जलधे तीरंगता संगताः.
Good. यावत्त्वत्पदचिन्तनैकमनसस्तावत् स पार्थो जभूः.
यावत् त्वत्पदचिन्तनैक यावत् स पार्थो जभूः
त्वद्वाचं हृदये निशम्य सकलानन्दयन्नूचिवान्. The n down has to come up half n. त्वद्वाचं हृदये निशम्य सकलानन्दयन्नूचिवान्.
त्वद्वाचो हृदये निशम्य सकलान् आनन्दयन्नूचिवान्
आख्यातः परमात्मना स्वयमहं वाक्यं तदाकर्ण्यताम्.
आख्यातः परमात्मना स्वयमहो वाक्यं तदा sorry I didn't get वाक्यं तदा
आख्यातः परमात्मना स्वयमहं वाक्यं तदाकर्ण्यताम्.
आख्यातः परमात्मना स्वयमहो वाक्यं तदा कर्ण्यताम्.
ते मुग्धानिलशालिदुग्धजलधे स्थिरङ्गताः सङ्गताः यावत् त्वत्पदचिन्तनैकमनसस्तावत् स पाथो जभूः.
ते मुग्धानिलशालिदुग्धजलधे स्थिरङ्गताः सङ्गताः यावत् त्वत्पदचिन्तनैकमनसस्तावत् स पाथो जभूः.
त्वद्वाचं हृदये निशम्य सकलानानन्दयन्नूचिवानाख्यातः परमात्मना स्वयमहं वाक्यं तदाकर्ण्यताम्.
त्वद्वाचो हृदये निशम्य सकलान् आनन्दयन्नूचिवानाख्यातः परमात्मना स्वयमहो वाक्यं तदा कर्ण्यताम्. ते मुग्धानिलशालिदुग्धजलधे स्थिरङ्गताः सङ्गताः यावत् त्वत्पदचिन्तनैकमनसस्तावत् स पाथो जभूः. त्वद्वाचो हृदये निशम्य सकलान् आनन्दयन्नूचिवानाख्यातः परमात्मना स्वयमहो वाक्यं तदा कर्ण्यताम्.
So now what happens is they mugdha, somewhere where you just get lost, you feel engrossed in something very pleasant has happened. Anila, one nice breeze is there. Shali dugdha jalehe, on the beautiful Shali dugdha jaladhehe tiram, on the banks of the beautiful milky ocean. They gataha, sangataha. They went, all of them had gone there together. Then, having gone there, what did they do? Tvat pada chintana ekamanasaha. With single pointed focus attention, they meditated on Lord's feet. Tavat sa pathoja bhuhu. So, then what happened? This pathoja bhu, the lotus pond, that means Brahmaji. What happened? He says, Tvad vacham. Bhattatari ji is saying to Lord, your words, Tvad, your, vacham, your words, hridaye nishamya. Brahmaji heard Lord's voice in his heart. And that Sakalan Anandayan, making everybody happy, Uchivan, he said, Akhyataha Paramatmana Swayam aham vakyam tadakarnyatam. Akarnyatam. I have heard his words. Now I will tell what Lord has said. Please listen carefully. So that made everybody happy that Lord has spoken now. ते मुग्धानिलशालिदुग्धजलधे स्थिरङ्गता सङ्गताः यावत् त्वत्पदचिन्तनैकमनसस्तावत् स पाथो जभूः. This yavat tavat is a phrase used together. So as they were doing or when they were doing, that time Brahmaji heard. Means as they were meditating, that time Brahmaji heard like that. त्वद्वाचौ हृदये निशम्य सकलानानन्दयन्नूचिवानाख्यातः परमात्मना स्वयमहं वाक्यं तदाकर्ण्यताम्. पुष्पाजी. Okay. Number 5. जाने दीनदशामहं दिविषदां भूमेश्च भीमैर्नृपैः.
जाने दीनदशामहं दिविशदां भूमैश्च जाने दीनदशामहं दिविशदां भूमेश्च भीमैर्नृपैः
तत्क्षेपाय भवामि यादवकुले सोऽहं समग्रात्मना.
What's that word? तत्क्षेपं.
क्षेपाय क्षेपाय
तत्क्षेपाय भवामि यादवकुले सोऽहं समाग्रात्मना.
देवा वृष्णिकुले भवन्तु कलया देवाङ्गनाश्चावनौ.
देवा वृष्णिकुले भवन्तु कलया देवाङ्गनाश्चावनौ.
मत्सेवार्थमिति त्वदीयवचनं पाथो जभूरुचिवान्.
मत्सेवार्थमिति त्वदीयवचनं पाथो जभूरुचिवान्.
जारे दीनदशामहं दिविषदां भूमेश्च भीमैर्नृपैस्तत्क्षेपाय भवामि यादवकुले सोऽहं समग्रात्मना.
जाने दीनदशामहं दिविशदां भूमेश्च भीमैर्नृपैस्तत्क्षेपाय भवामि यादवकुले सोऽहं समग्रात्मना.
Baba has gone. My connection is then okay. Sorry. Deva. Sorry. We didn't do the second.
We did the first two lines.
Yes, so second part. Deva vrushnikule bhavantu kalaya devanganaschavanau matsevarthamiti tvadiya vachanam patho jabhuruchivam.
देवा वृष्णिकुले भवन्तु कलया देवाङ्गनाश्चावनौ मत्सेवार्थमिति त्वदीयवचनं पाथो जभूरुचिवान्. जाने दीनदशामहं दिविशदां भूमेश्च भीमैर्नृपैः तत्क्षेपाय भवामि यादवकुले सोऽहं समग्रात्मना. देवा वृष्णिकुले भवन्तु कलया देवाङ्गनाश्चावनौ मत्सेवार्थमिति त्वदीयवचनं पाथो जभूरुचिवान्.
So now what happens? Aham jane, I know. Deena dasha, very bad state. Divishada, and Bhumeshcha. Divishadam and Bhumeshcha, of the gods and of the Bhumi. I know the bad state. Bhimaihi Nrupaihi. Bhima, humongous, powerful, great, Nrupaihi, kings. By these kings, no, by these kings, her Dina Dasha is there. I know very much of it. Tat Kshepaya, to annihilate them, to take away them. Bhavami, I will be. Yadava Kule, Saptami, in Yadava Kula. And Sahaham, that me, would be Samagratmana, with all my kalas. Like Sampurna, it's not like Amsha. So like in a Matsya-avatar or a Varaha-avatar. No, Lord is not born with his full kalas, full powers. Some part only. So this is like Lord's Bhagwan's Purna Avatara. So this Lord is only saying, Samagratmana, I will be there and I'll be born in Yadav Kula. And Devas will be born in Vrishni Kula, Bhavantu, Kalaya. Not like a full form of the Lord, like Kalaya, some part, like an Amsha, they will be born, who Devas will be born. And Devanganaha cha also. Devangana and Devanganas will also born Avanau on the earth. For what? Matsevartham, to serve me. Iti, like this, Tvadiya Vachanam, your words, Pathoja Bhuvu, Brahmaji Uchivan, told. So he tells in that first thing that Bhavami, I will become like this, like this, like this. Like this, God has said, Brahmaji tells to Deva and the Bhumi, who were there praying, enjoying the breeze of on the shores of the Milky Ocean. It was also very pleasant. They were praying on the Lord's feet. And then the words of Lord Brahmaji hears in his heart. And Brahmaji says, Lord has the message. And then Lord is going to be born. But he doesn't say that Lord is going to be born. I am going to be born in Yadav Kulas, Devas in the Vrishni Kula, Devanganas on the Avani to serve me. And it is for Khepaya, this Bhumaihi, Bhimaihi, Nrupaihi. And I will annihilate all these people who are creating or who are burden on this earth. And I know the Dina Dasha, Lord says. What more assurances, no? Jane Dina Dasha Mahan Divishadam Bhumeshcha Bhimair Rupais Tatshepaya Bhavami Yadava Kule Soham Samagratmana Deva Vrishnikule Bhavantu Kalaya Devanganaschavanau Matsevarthamitit Tvadiyavachanam Pathoja Bhuruchivan. Matsevartham iti Tvadiya. Tvadiya. There is a bit out over there. Okay, Sajitji. Number 6. Shrutva karnarasayanam tava vachas sarveshu nirvapitaha.
Shrutva karnarasayanam tava vachas sarveshu nirvapitaha.
We cannot do nirvapitaha because it is not visarga. I thought so, but it is swanta only over there. So for that nirvapita swanteshu ishagateshu. So we cannot break the first line. Shritva karna rasayanam tava vachas sarveshu nirvapita swanteshvishagateshu tavaka kripa iyusha triptatmasu.
Shrutva karnarasayanam tava vachas sarveshu nirvapita swante svishagateshu tavaka kripa piyusha triptatmasu.
विख्याते मधुरापुरे किल भवत् सान्निध्य पुण्योत्तरे
विख्याते मधुरापुरे किल भवत्सान्निध्यपुण्योत्तरे
धन्यान् देवकनन्दनामुदवहद्राजा सशूरात्मजः
धन्यां देवकनन्दनामुदवहद्राजा सशूरात्मजः
श्रुत्वा कर्णरसायनं तव वचः सर्वेषु निर्वापितस्वान्तेष्वीशगतेषु तावक कृपा पीयूषतृप्तात्मसु
श्रुत्वा कर्णरसायनं तव वचः सर्वेषु निर्वापितस्वान्ते स्वीशगतेषु तावक कृपा पीयूषतृप्तात्मसु
विख्याते मधुरापुरे किल भवत्सान्निध्य पुण्योत्तरे धन्यान् देवकनन्दनामुदवहद्राजा सशूरात्मजः
विख्याते मधुरापुरे किल भवत्सान्निध्यपुण्योत्तरे धन्यां देवकनन्दनामुदवहद् राजा सशूरात्मजः श्रुत्वा कर्णरसायनं तव वचः सर्वेषु निर्वापितस्वान्ते स्वीशगतेषु तावक कृपा पीयूषतृप्तात्मसु विख्याते मधुरापुरे किल भवत्सान्निध्यपुण्योत्तरे धन्यां देवकनन्दनामुदवहत् राजा सशूरात्मजः
So now what happens? So, Shrutva, having heard Tvantavya, Karna Rasayanam, nectar for the ears, Lord's words, Tava Vachaha, your words, Sarveshu, all the devas, Nirvapitaha, went, Swanteshu, so in their own places, they returned. Nirvapita, having gone devoid, Nirvapita, the sorrows were having removed their sorrows, what they had, Swanta, in their hearts, it all got removed, and Gateshu, all of them, when they went, Tavaka Krupa, your Krupa, your grace, Iyusha Triptatmasu, and that was very, very consoling. So whenever we are tormented, then when authority says something very assuring words, it even if the problem is existing that time and it's not solved, but the words were the assuring. So the problem would definitely get solved, would be the conclusion. It is not the kings, the wicked people, the Danujas, they are not yet gone. But that word, that assurance itself has removed the sorrow. Even before they got annihilated, they're still existing. Lord is not yet born. But Lord has said, no, so we experience like that. Our problem is not gone. But some consoling word when we hear, that existing problem also becomes bearable. Because that in the near future, that is going to go away. We have that assurance that it is not going to be there anymore. So in that sense, they all were happily, they all left happily. Vikhyate Madhurapure. So very famous Madhurapura, Mathura, Kila, Bhavat Sannidhyat, Punyottare. Because of your presence, it has become so very Tirthasthana like, so very sacred it has become. So in that place, Dhanya, very lucky, Devaka Nandana. So Devaka Nandana. So Dhanya Devaka Nandana, the one who is Dhanya, who is very lucky. The daughter of Devaka. Nandana, daughter of Devaka. Hmm? Udvahad. Udvaha is married. She got married to who? Udvahad. Rajasa Shuratmajaha. Raja, the king. Shuratmajaha, the son of Shur. Atmaja is son of Shura, of Shurasena. So, the son of Shurasena, Devaki, got married. Devaka's daughter married Shura's son in the Punya city of Mathura. Okay. So, Vasudeva and Devaki's marriage we're talking about. श्रुत्वा कर्णरसायनं तव वचः सर्वेषु निर्वापितस्वान्तेष्वीशगतेषु तावक कृपा ईयुषतृप्तात्मसु विख्याते मधुरापुरे किल भवत्सान्निध्यपुण्योत्तरे धन्यान् देवकनन्दनामुदवहद्राजा सशूरात्मजः. Number 7. That is something. Number 7. Udvahavasitau tadiya sahajah kaunsoth sampanayan.
उद्वाहावसितौ तदीय सहजः कंसोऽथ सम्मानयन्.
So, manayan, down that na, half na has gone, but that is that nakara sandhi. So, we are not saying netau. It will be etau. So please write over there because sometimes we don't remember the sandhi rule and then we will wonder. There are two n's, then where is that second n? The second n has come because of that sandhi rule. So you write sammanayan over there half n, and over here you write a and keep a, not I, not one with the top line, without the top line, only a. So we start with etau sutataya gatah pathirathe vyomottaya tvadgira.
एतौ सूततया गतः पतिरथे व्योमोत्तया त्वद्गिरा.
अस्यास्त्वामति दुष्टमष्टमसुतो हन्तेति हन्तेरितः.
अस्यास्त्वामदिदुष्टमष्टमस्तुतो हन्तेति हन्तेरितः.
सन्त्रासात् स तु हन्तुमन्तिकगतान् तन्वीं कृपाणीमधा. My connection I had lost, so can you repeat the line?
सन्त्रासात् स तु हन्तुमन्तिकगतान् तन्वीं कृपाणीमधात्.
Tanveen Krupan, Nuswaras N. So now we are going to join that first and the second. Udvahavasitau tadiya sahajah kamsoth sammanayannetau sutataya gatah patirathe vyomottaya tvadgira.
उद्वाहावसितौ तदीयसहजः कंसोऽथ सम्मानयन्नेतौ सूततया गतः पतिरथे व्योमोत्थया त्वद्गिरा.
अस्यास्त्वामति दुष्टमष्टमसुतो हन्तेति हन्तेरितः सन्त्रासात् स तु हन्तुमन्तिकगतान् तन्वीं कृपाणीमधा.
अस्यास्त्वामतिदुष्टमष्टमसुदो हन्तेदि हन्तेरितः सन्द्रासात् सदुहन्तु कगदान् तन्वीं कृपाणीमधात् उद्वाहावसितौ तदीयसहज कंसोऽथ समय अस्यास्त्वामदिदुष्टमष्टमसुदो हन्तेदि हन्तेरितः सन्द्रासात् सदुहन्तु मन्दिकगदान् तन्वीं कृपाणीमधात्.
Can you say the first two lines? I had lost my connection that time.
व्योमोत्थया त्वद्गिरा.
Okay. I don't hear it because my connection is not good. Could you say it again? I'm so sorry. Yes, please. Yes.
उद्वाहावसितौ तदीयसहज कंसोऽथ सम्मानयन्नेतौ सूततया गतः पतिरथे व्योमोत्थया त्वद्गिरा.
Good. Yes. Udvaha Vasitau. So now this marriage ceremony is concluded. Huh? Vasudevji and Devakiji, they have got married. Tadiya Sahajaha Kamsaha Atha Sammanayan Etau. Etau. These two to sammana, to give them mana, to honor them. Kamsaha, what he has done is, so he's a Sahajana, a brother of Devaki. So what's Tadiya Sahaja, Devaki's brother, this Kamsaha to Sutataya Gataha Pathi Sutataya Gataha. Suta, we hear this word no, for Karna, he is Suta's son. So Sutataya. So he offers that he will ride their Ratha. And then Pathi, then on that way, Vyoma. Vyoma is Akasha. Vyoma Utthaya. Vyomotthaya. From the Akasha. Twadgira. Words come out. Your words came. What means by Lord's voice only? What words came? Asyaha. Her. Tvamati dushtam. You are very wicked person, to you. Ashtama sutaha. See? Asyaha tvam atidushtam ashtama sutaha hanta will kill. Iti hanteritaha. Iritaha is told. So irita means it is told like this by that vyomotha voice. Vyomotha voice. So then what happens? This Kamsa Santrasat, he got terrified. And Antum Antikagatam Tanveem, was beautiful of his sister, Krupanim, with the sword, Adhat, he took that sword, and Hantum Antikagata, he goes closer to kill Devaki on the spot itself. So one side there is so much of love that the sister has got married and let me now become her charioteer. One side this is there. And the moment the Akashvani is happened, he is not hesitating to kill her. Means he was so terrified hearing that Akashvani. So one side he is becoming charioteer, other side he is not hesitating to kill her. That is Kamsa. Udvaha vasitau tadiya sahajah kamsotha sammanayannetau sutataya gatah pathirathe vyomopthaya twadgira asyastvamati dushtamashtamasuto hamteti hanteritaha. सन्त्रासात् स तु हन्तुमम्पिकगतान् तन्वीं कृपाणीमधा Good. Number 8. गृह्णानश्चिकुरेषु ताङ्खलमतिः शौरेश्चिरं सान्त्वनैः
गृह्णानश्चिकुरेषु तां खलमदिशौरे स्थिरं सान्त्वनैः
नो मुञ्चन् पुनरात्मजार्पणगिरा प्रीतोऽथ यातो गृहान्
नो मुञ्जन् पुनरात्मजार्पणगिरा प्रीतोऽथ यादो गृहान्
आद्यं त्वत्सहजं तथार्पितमपि स्नेहेन नाहन्नसौ
आद्यन्तः तथार्पितमपि स्नेहेन नाहन्नसौ
दुष्टानामपि देवपुष्टकरुणा दृष्टा हि धीरे कदा
दुष्टानामपि देवपुष्टकरुणा दृष्टा हि धीरे गता
गृह्णानश्चिकुरेषु ताङ्खलमतिः शौरेश्चिरं सान्त्वनैर्नो मुञ्चन् पुनरात्मजार्पणगिरा प्रीतोऽथ यातो गृहान्
गृह्णानश्चिकुरेषु ताङ्खलमतिः शौरेश्चिरं सान्द्वनैः नो मुञ्जन् पुनरात्मजार्पणगिरा प्रीतोऽथ यादो गृहान्
आद्यं त्वत्सहजं तथार्पितमपि स्नेहेन नाहन्नसौ दुष्टानामपि देवपुष्टकरुणा दृष्टा हि धीरे कदा
आद्यं त्वत्सहजं तथार्पितमपि स्नेहेन नाहन्नसौ दुष्टानामपि देवपुष्टकरुणा दृष्टा हि धीरे कदा गृह्णानश्चिकुरेषु ताङ्खलमतिः शौरेश्चिरं सान्त्वनैः नो मुञ्जन् पुनरात्मजार्पणगिरा प्रीतोऽथ यादो गृहान् आद्यं त्वत्सहजं तथार्पितमपि स्नेहेन नाहन्नसौ दुष्टानामपि देवपुष्टकरुणा दृष्टा हि धीरे कथा
Excellent. Nice. Enjoy. So, grunhana, chikureshu, holding the hair, tam, her hair, khalamati, wicked-minded person, shaurehe, of Vasudev, chiram santvanehi, of Vasudev's prolonged consolation, no munchan, he didn't leave her. Then punaha, again, atmajarpana gira, the words he said that whatever is born out of her, I will arpan to you, atmaja, all the children will come, I will arpan to you. Then preet otha yato mahan. So then somehow he got consoled, he got satisfied that okay, now, and he yato gruhan, he goes home. Then Adyam, the first, Twat Sahajam, your brother. Bhattatiri ji saying to the Lord that your first brother, when he was born, Tatha Arpitam, they told, so they Arpitam, they offered it to Kamsa, but Snehena, out of love, Na Hanan, Asau. He did not kill. Na Ahan. He did not kill. And then Dushtanamapi, even for dushtas, even for the wicked. Oh Lord, oh Deva, Pushta Karuna. Sometimes you fill them with some compassion heart. Dhirekada. Once a while it is seen like this. Once a while that the wicked people also show some compassionate, oh Lord, because the first brother of Krishna was not killed. गृह्णानश्चिकरे श्रुताङ्खलमतिः शौरेश्चिरं सान्त्वनैर्नो मुञ्चन् पुनरात्मजार्पणगिरा प्रीतोऽथ यातो गृहान् आद्यन्त्वत्सहजं तथार्पितमपि स्नेहेन नाहन्नसौ दुष्टानामपि देवपुष्टकरुणा दृष्टा हि धीरे कदा. Shobhaji. Number 9. तावत्त्वन्मनसैव नारद मुनिः प्रोचे स भोजेश्वरम्.
तावत्त्वन्मनसैव नारदमुनिः प्रोचे स भोजेश्वरम्.
यूयन्नन्वसुराः यदवः. Sorry, we'll not bring that. यूयन्नन्वसुराः यदवो जानासि किन्न प्रभो.
यूयन्नन्वसुरासुराश्च यदवो जानासि किन्न प्रभो.
मायावी स हरिर्भवद्वध कृते भावी सुरप्रार्थनात्. The ending.
मायावी स हरिर्भवद्वध कृते भावी सुरप्रार्थनात्.
इत्याकर्ण्य यदूनदूधुनदसौ शौरेश्च सूनूनहन्.
इत्याकर्ण्य यदूनदूधुनदसौ शौरेश्च सूनूनहन्.
Very good. तावत्त्वन्मनसैव नारद मुनिः प्रोचे स भोजेश्वरम्. यूयन्नन्वसुराः यदवो जानासि किन्न प्रभो.
तावत्त्वन्मनसैव नारदमुनिः प्रोचे स भोजेश्वरम्. यूयन्नन्वसुरासुराश्च यदवो जानासि किन्न प्रभो.
मायावी स हरिर्भवद्वध कृते भावी सुरप्रार्थनादित्याकर्ण्य यदूनदूधुनदसौ शौरेश्च सूनूनहन्.
मायावी स हरिर्भवद्वध कृते भावी सुरप्रार्थनादित्याकर्ण्य यदूनदूधुनदसौ शौरेश्च सूनूनहन्. तावत्तन्मनसैव नारदमुनिः प्रोचे स भोजेश्वरम्. यूयन्नन्वसुरासुराश्च यदवो जानासि किन्न प्रभो. मायावी स हरिर्भवद्वध कृते भावी सुरप्रार्थनादित्याकर्ण्य यदूनदूधुनदसौ शौरेश्च सूनूनहन्.
So now what happens? Tavat, that time. Tvat, manasa eva. Means by Lord, Bhattathariji is saying to the Lord, by your doing only, your thought only, that time what happened? Narada Muni has arrived. Okay. And he said, O Bhojeshwara, O King, O Kamsa, you yam, you all, Nanu, isn't really Asuras. You are all Asuras, isn't it? Narada Muni is saying to Kamsa. And Yadavaha Suraha. And all Yadus are gods. Do you see Asura and Sura where it is? Nanvasuraha, Nanu Asuraha. Second line, Yam. We have heard this, na? Tvat Shabdas. Yam. So, you are all Asuras. Yadus are all Devas. Janase kim na Prabho. Oh Lord, don't you know this? That Mayavi, Hari, Saha Hari, Mayavi, Bhavat Vadhakrute, for your killing, Bhavi, later, Suraprarthanat, because of the prayers of the Suras, of the Devas, he is going to come, right? Bhavi means in future he is going to come, right? Bhavat Vadhakrute. Itya Karanya, having heard this, Yadun, all the Yadus, Adudhunat, chased away. All the Yadun, Nakaranta, all Yadus, Adudhunat, and also Shaureshcha Sunun. Sunu is sons, children, Ahan. So Shaure, Vasudevas, all the children were also killed, and all Yadus were also chased away by Kamsa, because Naradji said like this. But why did Naradji say? Because Tvad Manasa eva. Because you only prompted Naradji to go and do that job. Somebody has to instigate. No, now Bhagwan is creating a stage. So somebody, he has to put so many actors into it, so that it is led to the final scene. Okay. तावत्त्वन्मनसैव नारदमुनिः प्रोचे च स भोजेश. What did I say? तावत्त्वन्मनसैव नारदमुनिः प्रोचे स भोजेश्वरम्. यूयन्नन्वसुरासुराश्च यदवो जानासि किन्न प्रभो. मायावी स हरिर्भवद्वधकृते भावी सुरप्रार्थनादित्याकर्ण्य यदून दूधुनदसौ शौरेश्च सूनूरहन्. Okay, last but not the least, Lakshmi-ji. प्राप्ते सप्तमगर्भता महिपतौ त्वत्प्रेरणान्मायया.
प्राप्ते सप्तमगर्भता महिपतौ त्वत्प्रेरणान्मायया.
नीते माधवरोहिणीं त्वमपि भोः सच्चित्सुखैकात्मकः.
नीते माधवरोहिणीं त्वमपि भोः सच्चित्सुखैकात्मकः.
देवक्या जठरं विवेशित विभो संस्तूयमानः सुरैः.
देवक्या जठरं विवेशिथ विभो संस्तूयमानः सुरैः.
सत्वं कृष्ण विधूय रोगपटलीं भक्तिं परां देहि मे.
सत्वं कृष्ण विधूय रोगपटलीं भक्तिं परां देहि मे.
प्राप्ते सप्तमगर्भता महिपतौ त्वत्प्रेरणान्मायया. नीते माधवरोहिणीं त्वमपि ओ सच्चित्सुखैकात्मकः.
प्राप्ते सप्तमगर्भता महिपतौ त्वत्प्रेरणान्मायया. नीते माधवरोहिणीं त्वमपि भोः सच्चित्सुखैकात्मकः.
देवक्या जठरं विवेशित विभो संस्तूयमानः सुरैः. सत्वं कृष्ण विधूय रोगपटलीं भक्तिं परां देहि मे.
देवक्या जठरं विवेशिथ विभो संस्तूयमानः सुरैः सत्वं कृष्ण विधूय रोगपटलीं भक्तिं परां देहि मे प्राप्ते सप्तमगर्भता महीपतौ त्वत्प्रेरणान्मायया नीते माधवरोहिणीं त्वमपि भोः सच्चित्सुखैकात्मकः देवक्या जठरं विवेशिथ विभो संस्तूयमानः सुरैः सत्वं कृष्ण विधूय रोगपटलीं भक्तिं परां देहि मे सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्दनाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द
So, Prapte Saptama Garbha. So, when she was in her 7th pregnancy, Garbhatam, then Ahipatau. Ahipatau is the Ahi is snake and snake's king. So, Adishesha. Tvat Prerana. So, when at her 7th pregnancy, when Mahipatau was there, then Tvat Prerana, by your prompting, Nite, you transferred it to Rohini. And Tvamapi, you, oh, Sat Chit Sukhaikatmakaha. Sat, you are the only existence. Chit, huh? So you are the only existence, you are the only consciousness, you are that Sukha, you are that bliss. What you have done, Devakya Jatharam. In Devaki's womb, Viveshitha, you rested yourself. That time, Devas, Surehi, Samstuyamanaha sang a lot of praises for you. Satvam Krishna, that Krishna, you've done so many things now with your Maya. You have transferred Sheshanaga to Rohini, you have entered over here, what all you have done. So that Krishna, Roga Patalim Vidhuya, remove all my rogas, and then bhakti param dehi. This is like the one thing which we should literally ask daily to God. Give me devotion to your feet, to you. Our devotion is not always to God. Yeah, when our ahankara comes, our devotion is to ourselves. We like ourselves so much and it changes. And we will remember God only when we will have problem. Otherwise, we don't remember him. He's there sitting over there in the puja room and we'll light lamp mechanically, because we have to do puja. But let one problem come, oh, such great feeling will be there that time to light the lamp also, or to do that puja also. And that is the bhakti peak we will have. So let us pray that we should get bhakti always, not when in the problem, because all other times we are in our ahankara. For me, my work, my this, come on, just quickly finish. One chore, puja is one chore, finish off that. Finish up this, and then what? Then what? That constant dwelling in the Lord is not happening because that we forget in between. So if we are dwelling in constantly in Lord, then the work is also becoming worship to the Lord. Then everything is for the Lord. Then there is no tiredness, exhaustion, there is no sorrow. And the sorrow is also okay, a part of Lord only. So you are happy in the sorrow also. The complete attitude changes when we offer that. Just try one day and then it becomes, and then we extend it to the second day, and then it will become our nature. So these are something deliberately that we will have to put. It will not happen automatically. So one thing we can ask is permanent devotion, because we just give that on me. It has to come as a grace. Then it will happen. Not when our ahankara is crushed and now we have no face to get up and strength to get up. We remember God. That should not happen. प्राप्ते सप्तमगर्भता महीपतौ त्वत्प्रेरणान्मायया नीते माधवरोहिणीं त्वमपि भो सच्चित्सुखैकात्मकः देवक्या जठरं विवेशिथ विभो संस्तूयमानः सुरैः सत्त्वं कृष्ण विधूय रोगपटलीं भक्तिं परां देहि मे सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्दा गोविन्दा नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. So with His grace, we have completed one more dashakam. And how much ever time we take extra, still we go extra time this side. So God only knows how the class extends. Even after adding half an hour, it is still extending for 10 minutes. So whatever, He will see us through all this. And then next Monday when we meet, just prepare 38 dashakam for chanting. And we'll just chant 38 dashakam, get into the feel and relive Krishna's birth, and then immediately we will start 39. So it will just take our 5-7 minutes of chanting. It's this Basanta Tilaka Chanda, so it will finish faster. So we will do only one round. So only first 10 people will get a chance to chant. Okay. So just prepare that and come because it was taken quite some time ago. Okay. Any doubts of yesterday or today's session? All right. Okay. So let's end. And then you have 5 days to revise yesterday's and today's, and now plus the next 38 also, so that we can dive into 39. And then you just see next week we are there. 40 dashakams we have already done. Then. And then if time permits, we should do the round of 31 to 40 dashakams chanting we should do. So prepare simultaneously. So either Monday or the Tuesday of that following week, we should. Otherwise, we will forget. 31 to 40 we will do. And then once we complete 50, then we will take all 50 chanting. So now we'll have a slab of 31 to 40. We'll have a slab of 41 to 50. And then 1 to 50 we should have a chanting. One revision and then go for the next. Yeah. Okay. Sri Vidyaji, you have raised your hand. You can unmute yourself.
Last paragraph, Prapte Saptam, the first and second line, are they separate or together? Satpreranan Mayaya.
Mayaya Nite. Yeah. Mayaya Nite.
Together,
correct. Right? Yes. Good. Huh? Mayaya Nite. No, Mayaya is third case. By Maya, Nite Rohini. Taken to Rohini. Not Mayaya Nite. Mayaya by Maya. Taken Nite Rohini to Rohini. Madhava is O Madhava. It is so it starts, the sentence starts like that. O Madhava means Bhattatari ji saying to the Lord, O Madhava, when this Ahipati was born as the Samagarbha, you with your Maya power, by your Maya fire, took him to Rohini. In that sense it is. So it's not together.
So no hyphen, right?
No hyphen. Okay, all clear. Let's join Daily Gita, then followed by Eknathi Bhagavad also. So if those who want to join Eknathi Bhagavad, now I think all the groups have that a PDF that I have shared of all the classes. So even if you're not in any of those WhatsApp group, you have got the link. Anytime anybody can join, you can share with anybody. Then if you like the class, want to continue, get some updates, then we can add you to that WhatsApp group because everybody is having hundreds of WhatsApp groups. So sometimes you are not interested, you just want 1 or 2 class, then you can just be without even WhatsApp group. But those who want to be there, now you have got the whole PDF given and links of YouTube are also there. You have to just press that. All thing is very easily, everything is embedded into it. You don't have to do anything. Just open the PDF and click on whatever links you want and share with friends and family. Those who want to benefit, let them benefit. Let's end today's session. ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम् श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु Hari Om everyone. Thank you. See you all next Monday.
Thank
Om
you.
Shri Hari
Thank
Om.
you.
Thank
Hari
you.
Hari Om
Thank you,
Varshiji.
Varshaji. Thank you, Varshaji.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Varshaji.
Thank you, Varshaji.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hari Om. Hari Om.